Worldwide, we make top-of-the-line shredders, top quality.
Shred Tech will shred anything that you can imagine, from industrial waste, paper, pallets, metal parts. Hard drives is a huge one. Take a nice solid piece of metal and they'll completely destroy that to a point where nobody's going to get the information out of the hard drive shredder.
Our company first started with the mobile application. We were one of the first ones creating the mobile destruction system on a truck, and then we progressed to the processing side of things. We'll take on any job and complete it successfully. In a recent hurricane situation in Florida, we had one of our Haas mobile destruction systems on site, inserting palm trees, fences, whatever broken debris from their households to help clean it up. We're entering our 40th year anniversary. We're approximately $100 million in sales.
We have tripled in our size on the truck line. We have gained an extra shift, probably doubled up in employees, so we are growing quite a bit.
It's very important to invest in technology, especially on the software side where it can aid in the efficiency of doing the electrical drawings. We constantly are finding different customers that are requiring the needs of a shredder, and to meet those needs, we're using SOLIDWORKS Electrical to deliver product on time.
Before, when we would have the electrical drawings for page referencing, our lines would just continue on to the next page, whereas SOLIDWORKS seems to cut off our line and gives you a page reference, which makes it a lot easier to go on to 3 pages down the line or 12 pages down the line. It just makes for an easier build.
It's one of the first programs I start up in the beginning of the day, and it's one of the last programs I turn off when I'm leaving.
Way more control, and all our parts within a database. Set them up once and they're there for you whenever you need them.
Easy to change wire number and all drawing package, which I like very well. SOLIDWORKS is pretty intuitive. It's easy to learn and to create all my tasks, drawings from the scratch.
At ShredTech, we employ co-op students from our local college. We want to give them a real-world experience of what it's like working in an engineering electrical department. So the tool that we provide them with is SOLIDWORKS Electrical. And within a short period of time, they're already producing electrical drawings.
The way I learned SOLIDWORKS Electrical was through a 2-day crash course at the college that I go to. The teacher just kind of threw it up on the whiteboard in the class, and we just quickly learned how to do the very, very basics. But it was very easy to work with, easy to handle, and even for somebody who would have no idea about SOLIDWORKS, it would be a very easy program for them to start off, learn, and then master. Huge tool that I use on it is the Generate Excel function that they have. It's fantastic for when we have to print labels or just get raw information out of it, because it does all the work for us and it's easy to read, easy to use, and it's great.
I can see us really expanding upon our uses of SOLIDWORKS Electrical. I feel like we've really only scraped the surface.
As ShredTech grows into the future, we need the use of innovative technology, and we see SOLIDWORKS Electrical as a partner for us to be able to achieve that.